Welcome to Connecticut, a small state on the eastern coast of America, often overlooked, but within its borders lies a rich tapestry of natural wonders. From the rugged coastline of Long Island Sound to the tranquil lakes and forests of its interior, Connecticut offers a surprising diversity of landscapes. Join me as we explore this hidden gem of New England and discover the remarkable beauty that awaits. Our journey begins on the southern edge of Connecticut, where the land meets the sea at Long Island Sound. Here, sandy beaches stretch for miles, pounded by the relentless waves of the Atlantic Ocean. These shores are a haven for life, attracting migratory birds on their long journeys south. Sounderlings skitter along the water's edge, their tiny legs ablur as they chase the receding tide in search of small invertebrates. One of the most popular destinations along Connecticut's coastline is Hammonasset Beach State Park, a 2-mile stretch of sand that draws visitors and locals alike. Here, families gather to build sandcastles, while others seek solace in the rhythmic sound of the waves. Further east, Rocky Neck State Park offers a different perspective on Connecticut's coast. Rugged cliffs rise from the sea, providing stunning views of the Sound. Moving inland, we enter a world of towering trees and dappled sunlight, the forests of Connecticut. These forests are a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna, creating a vibrant ecosystem that thrives in the heart of New England. These woodlands cover nearly 60% of the state, a testament to the resilience of nature. They provide a crucial habitat for wildlife and play a significant role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. Oak, maple, and birch trees dominate the canopy, their leaves creating a dense ceiling that filters the light below. This natural canopy not only offers shade, but also supports a diverse range of understory plants and animals. In the spring, the forest floor erupts with wildflowers, a vibrant display of color after the long winter months. These blooms attract pollinators, ensuring the continuation of the forest's life cycle. Come autumn, these forests undergo a breathtaking transformation. The changing leaves signal the approach of winter, creating a picturesque landscape that is a favorite among photographers and nature enthusiasts. The leaves of the deciduous trees turn from green to brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow, creating a spectacle that draws visitors from far and wide. This seasonal change is a reminder of the ever-evolving beauty of nature. Sleeping Giant State Park, named for the mountain ridge that resembles a slumbering giant, offers miles of hiking trails through dense forests. It's a place where adventurers can explore and connect with the natural world. Here, one can truly experience the tranquility of nature, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the woods. The peaceful environment provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Another notable destination is Devil's Hopyard State Park, where a unique geological formation showcases the power of nature's forces. The park's stunning waterfalls and rock formations are a testament to the area's rich geological history. The lifeblood of Connecticut flows through its many rivers and lakes, each one a unique ecosystem teeming with activity. The Connecticut River, the longest in New England, winds its way through the heart of the state, connecting the forests and hills to the sea. Its banks are a haven for wildlife, offering food and shelter to a wide variety of species. Great blue herons stand patiently at the water's edge, their sharp eyes scanning for fish, while muskrats and beavers busy themselves building their dams and lodges. For those seeking recreation, Connecticut's lakes offer a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Candlewood Lake, the largest lake in the state, is a popular destination for boating, fishing, and swimming. Its clear waters reflect the surrounding hills, creating a scene of idyllic beauty. While Connecticut may be known for its charming coastline and verdant forests, the western part of the state rises into a landscape of rolling hills and rugged mountains. The Western Highlands, an extension of the Berkshire Mountains, dominate this region, their slopes cloaked in forests of oak, maple, and hemlock. Hikers are drawn to this area, seeking the challenge and reward of reaching the summits of peaks like Bear Mountain and Mount Frisell, the highest point in Connecticut. From these vantage points, one can gaze out over a vast expanse of forest land, the trees stretching out like a sea of green in every direction. For the truly adventurous, a section of the Appalachian Trail passes through Connecticut, offering experienced hikers a chance to test their mettle. Despite its relatively small size, Connecticut boasts a surprising diversity of wildlife. From the depths of its forests to the shores of its coast, a fascinating array of creatures call this state home. White-tailed deer are a common sight, their graceful forms often spotted bounding through the woods or grazing peacefully in meadows. Black bears, though less frequently seen, are also present in the state's forests. Their presence a reminder of the wildness that still exists in these woods. Bird watchers will find much to delight in as well. Over 400 species of birds have been recorded in Connecticut, from the soaring raptors, like bald eagles and ospreys, to the colourful songbirds that fill the air with their melodies. In the wetlands and along the edges of ponds and streams, a whole other world of creatures can be found. Beyond its more well-known natural attractions, Connecticut holds hidden gems, unique geological formations, and natural wonders that add to its charm. These lesser-known spots offer a glimpse into the state's diverse and rich natural heritage, inviting exploration and discovery. Off the coast of Branford, a scattering of islands, known as the Thimble Islands, dot the waters of Long Island Sound. This archipelago consists of over 100 small islands, each with its own unique features and history. These islands, some no larger than a house, were formed by glaciers thousands of years ago, leaving behind a unique and picturesque landscape. The glacial activity sculpted the islands into their current forms, creating a natural mosaic of rock and vegetation. Each island has its own character, some crowned with dense vegetation, others dominated by rocky shores. This diversity makes the Thimble Islands a fascinating place to explore, with each visit offering a new perspective. The Thimbles are a popular destination for boaters and kayakers who come to explore the islands and observe the variety of bird life that call them home. Bird watchers are particularly drawn to the area, as the islands provide a habitat for numerous species of birds, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Back on the mainland, in the heart of Devil's Hop Yard State Park, lies another natural wonder, Chapman Falls. This stunning waterfall is one of the park's main attractions, drawing visitors with its beauty and the soothing sound of cascading water. Here, the 8-mile river plunges over a series of rocky ledges, creating a cascade of white water that seems almost out of place in the tranquility of the surrounding forest. The contrast between the powerful waterfall and the serene forest setting makes Chapman Falls a must-see destination for nature lovers. Connecticut experiences 4 distinct seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique palette. From the vibrant greens of spring to the deep, rich hues of autumn, every season brings its own charm and character to the state. Spring brings with it a burst of new life as trees unfurl their leaves and wildflowers carpet the forest floor. The gentle warmth of the sun encourages new growth, and the landscape is dotted with colorful blossoms. The air is filled with the songs of birds returned from their wintering grounds, and the days grow longer, beckoning people to spend time outdoors. Parks and gardens come alive with activity as residents and visitors alike enjoy the mild weather. Summer transforms the state into a verdant paradise. The forests are a deep shade of green, providing a cool respite from the summer heat. The lakes and rivers sparkle in the sunlight, and the days are long and warm, perfect for swimming, hiking, or simply relaxing by the water. Summer festivals and outdoor events are a common sight, celebrating the season's bounty. But it is autumn, perhaps, that is the most celebrated season in Connecticut. The crisp air and clear skies set the stage for a stunning display of fall foliage. As the days shorten and the nights grow cooler, the leaves of the deciduous trees begin their spectacular transformation. The vibrant colors create a picturesque landscape that is perfect for photography and leisurely drives. From the end of September through October, the hillsides are ablaze with color, a breathtaking display of reds, oranges, and yellows that draws visitors from far and wide. The fall season is a time for harvest festivals and scenic hikes. The winter months bring a quieter beauty to Connecticut, with snow blanketing the landscape in a pristine white. The serene, snowy scenes create a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for cozying up by the fire or enjoying winter sports. Connecticut's natural beauty is not just a source of pride for its residents, but also a responsibility. Recognizing the importance of preserving these landscapes for future generations, the state has made significant strides in conservation and sustainability. State parks and forests, encompassing over 10% of Connecticut's land area, offer a refuge for wildlife and a place for people to connect with nature. These protected areas are carefully managed to ensure the health and vitality of their ecosystems. Organizations like the Nature Conservancy and the Connecticut Forest and Park Association work tirelessly to protect land and water resources. Efforts to promote sustainable practices, such as reducing carbon emissions, conserving water, and promoting responsible land use, are also underway. By respecting and protecting these natural treasures, we ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the same awe and wonder that we feel today. As our journey through Connecticut's natural wonders draws to a close, I hope you've gained a new appreciation for this often overlooked state. It's a place where the wildness of nature persists, even as cities and towns thrive. Whether you seek the tranquility of a forest trail, the exhilaration of a mountain summit, or the simple pleasure of a day at the beach, Connecticut offers a wealth of opportunities to connect with the natural world. So come, discover Connecticut for yourself.